Okay, so let's see what it got. Let's see what the microwave instructions are. Remove tray from cardboard sleeve, check. Cut pouch, emptying contents into tray. Do a disturbing close-up and zoom out, check. Cover with microwave safe film and vent by cutting the small slits in the film. Slits in film. There, that works. That should do it. Return to previous shot. Continue filming. Check. Microwave on high for 2 minutes, and that's what I shall do next. And in no time, I shall have myself Sloppy Joes. Yes. Sloppy Joes. Sloppy Joes. Sloppy Joes in 2 minutes. Yes.